Well, we kind of have been keeping track of fuel prices lately on the channel. So
$4.59.
Yep, now normal 87 gas is also gone up in price in addition to diesel prices. So will we see gasoline over $5 soon?
Get the sticker.
This is the cheapest we got in town.
Get the sticker.
Well, yep, AJ is not a happy camper.
We're gonna hear a lot of clunking from that rear end.
Oh yeah. Oh my, dude, this is like turning into like cobble. Oh, these are huge rocks, dude. Do not blow the oil pan.
Oil pan's already dented. This is.
What, this puddle?
No, the car.
Oh.
I missed the one track.
What'd you just say?
I have no air filter on it.
Oh yeah. That part.
Good thing I took that slow and thought about it as I was going through it. Jeez, dude, that rear end is so fucking clunky.
You think it's gonna fall apart?
No. It's the aftermarket fucking trailing arms I put on. They're like kind of loose.
That rock is huge, dude. It's like so different coming out here, like seeing the foliage again.
Yeah. Versus like the winter.
Yeah.
I hate how clunky the rear is, dude. This is
Yeah, it's really loud.
Oh my god.
Why are you like bogging it out too?
I'm not gonna go fast. I'm gonna put in first.
Oh.
I get it running.
No.
I get it running and then we fucking
Yeah.
stuff it in the woods. Jam.
All right, Colin McRae.
What are you launching?
Yeah, too bad you're gonna blow your oil pan out here, dude. Oh my god, dude! I just like sank, dude. Oh.
Fuck. Oh. Dude, the fucking max speeding rods, dude. I feel like we're still like kind of far from being completed. Okay, here we go.
Oh boy. Uh-oh.
I don't even know what to do here.
Oh no. Oh my god, I'm gonna break my neck, dude. Oh.
Oh my.
This is bad. Please don't break the car. Don't break the car. Oh, this is a garden right here. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, we're getting the smoke out of the engine bay.
It's not overheating. Oh my god.
Oh.
That tire's like flat. I probably should have put air in it. Remember when I first bought it, we took it fucking frozen?
Oh yeah.
And then it was the fucking homie hauler.
Yep.
And now it's like, I don't even know. It's like the daily that I'm just don't care about.
It's the sexually confused build.
Yeah. Oh. God, that fucking rear end is so annoying.
Yeah, it's loud.
It was literally burning them both out, first and second. Fucking thing's big.
Left 3, do not cut.
It kind of works. Horribly, all the way up top. What do you mean?
I don't know, just drive back and forth. And listen to it. hear it? You don't hear that metal on metal scrape? It's clearly coming from this wheel. Do the engine mount test. The brake boost. They're actually not that bad. I mean, they're not good, but they're not super bad. I had a V6 Accord that was way worse. AJ, dude, Sav.
Am I clearing it?
Yeah, you're good. Sounds kind of sick, dude.
It does actually sound good.
Oh, thanks. Well, AJ's gonna send the lift up without checking where the arms are. Classic.
See any rear drums?
Yep. Exhaust leak fix. You gotta tell me if the ball joints, front ball joints, inner outer tie rods, like, does it need a full resto? I don't know. But in today's car market, dude, I am not in the mood to buy a new car. And I am not in the mood to even go to the DMV. I don't want to register nothing. I'm sick of it.
All right, well, the wheel bearing's bad.
In the front?
Yeah. Maybe possible tie rod. But the issue is you can't really tell if the tie rod's bad if the wheel bearing's like bad, because the wheel bearing's just gonna shake. Dude, this side's fucking. This side's tits. That side's fucked. Yeah, it's a wheel bearing.
Sick. Wheel bearing?
Passenger wheel bearing.
Yep.
Where's dick light? Front brakes are good. Front wheel bearing. You might have to get a drum if it's fucking, you know. Nice. Rust off this. Just fucking shoes. The drum might not be fucked.
Oh, you don't want to
Just rock auto this shit.
rock auto all of it?
Yeah, just rock auto drum shoes for $6. Yo, you got a torch shot? It's about a whole new one for $17.30.
$17.30, and that doesn't need to be pressed, or?
No, it's gotta be pressed.
So you're telling me that when you wiggle the front wheel, it's only coming from the wheel bearing, like the tie rod end has no play, or?
I don't think so. $39 or $55.
So what you're saying is that the clear winner is Rock Auto?
Yeah, Rock Auto is always cheaper, but you gotta pay shipping. So, but either way, the fucking wheel bearings like $40 cheaper. So there's no way shipping's gonna be that much. Shipping at most will probably be $12. You're still saving like probably $90, $80. Let's go with this thing.
Just put it down, yeah, something like that.
Shout out to Iceco. You guys are probably like, oh, why are they getting so much stuff? It's because we're cool. Plain and simple. We got an Iceco table here.
That's like a sick hookah table, though. Dude, it's kind of cool. I like how it's like shiny.
I mean, it's pretty sick. We're all chilling in the chairs where I can get the hookah on it.
Yeah, that's definitely a sick hookah table. Yeah, so link to the Iceco table in the description. Foldable little Iceco hookah table or grandma's vase table. drink table, whatever you want to do with this. Coffee table, it's up to you. And then
we got another one. We don't know what this one actually is.
Oh, yeah, dude, the battery bank. Yes. This I was geeking about.
All right, let's fucking see. All right, so they sent us this battery bank. There's all this stuff on it. Whatever you want to fucking... Let's get the little bag, dude. Dude, what is it?
I don't know. That thing is sick, dude.
This looks stupid legit.
What kind of plugs does it have on it? Oh, yep.
Oh my god.
So you really can run the fridge off of that.
It's
Wow.
got hella plugs.
This is sick.
So, shout out to Iceco for the table, the battery pack, all the lanterns, the seats, the cooler. I literally forgot about the cooler. The cooler was like everything they sent us.
Wait, what's in this box right here?
I think it's just the cords.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the cords.
Oh, yep. Just wondering. So we get like a little travel bag and all the power adapters. That's going to be really handy for Lock City right there.
Don't forget, Ganj, Strands, merch in the description. Go buy yourself a shirt. Don't be a queer. Have no fear, buy some merch right down here.